Vendetta fans. One time ALKALINE do a show, we expect you guys to come out and talk about ALKALINE, not me. I'm not a Vendetta fan.
You keep talking, man, and you shut the fuck up.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, non stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
When I'm Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. I know the thing said. Remember, you know, people. We have to touch them, you know. And we have to correct them, you know. Cause everything with them fall out and say we have to just make that slide. You see it? Yeah, man. We now make that slide, man. You see me? So, we're going to hear with a brother here say, you don't know cartel cheerleader. You see me? AKA Gavin. You see it? Yeah, man. But people, here we must say.
Killer weekend. This weekend was ALKALINE weekend. This weekend was the King of Dancehall weekend. Everybody was on a stage doing their own thing. Everybody did a good job. All of the party them come out good. So everybody.
People, you hear my talk, him start off nice and everything, you know. You see it? Yeah, man. Must say something, everything good. But you know them stay already, you know. When you hear them talk at first, you know. Remember, say them not give full credit. You see it? But look, things are going to change and switch up. You see me? Yeah, man.
Remember telling you something. Everybody have them fans. Everybody's a fan to some artists. So, Vendetta fans. One time ALKALINE do a show, we expect you guys to come out and talk about ALKALINE, not me.
People, you know, see that brother contradict himself. He not a sense, you know. Because, so tell me now. So when ALKALINE forward out and I do him thing, and I must say, yo, who not try put him as a fan for cartel and one bag of thing. You see it? So how now you are gonna say, yo, you're not a fan of ALKALINE? So what if ALKALINE say I'm not a fan of cartel and over the years you not time name to cartel thing and one bag of thing? You understand? First of all, no Vendetta fans don't want you as no Gaza man forward out and say nothing, brother. You understand? Them no want that, them no care about you. Right now you come out because you want the Vendetta fans see you. You understand? Because you think of water down right now. So you need the attention by the Vendetta fans them. So that's why you run out car. Who did tell you say Vendetta people want you to come talk about them show? Who care about you, brother?
I'm not a Vendetta fan.
Nobody not really care about that, bro. So talk if you are talk, brother.
Right? When Adi do a show, you're gonna expect one Kevin, I will come out and give him views on it. When Bounty Killer do a show, you're gonna expect one Kevin come out and do his views on it.
Bro, but brother, but nobody not see you. Are you forward out and attack, brother? You understand? Are you forward out and attack, you know? None like no Vendetta fan now call you out or what's no Vendetta fan no say you don't like the thing already. Is what I try to say. So, I don't know where you try. It seems like you want the attention from the Vendetta fans them. You see it? Nobody not tell you to come talk about no show. Why would Vendetta fans come out and tell you to talk about them show when them know say yo, you're a Gaza man? You know, no sense.
Fan of these DJ, not ALKALINE. You can't tell me who to talk about. That's why Uno is a fan of Uno own artist. So, me big up the show that ALKALINE did. Good job. But you see, my artist them.
Why, I don't know. I'm telling you, people. The money are wagonist, you know. Wagonist, man.
They did a great job. And if you do the maths and you check, my two artists them, crowd of people, 2 and 3 times the crowd of ALKALINE crowd.
Bro, stop it, brother. You're mad, man. You don't have no proof for that, dog. You see, this is a problem, you know. This is women are rate with them money we say Gaza. Them not do them research before them talk. You understand? Them not do them research. Cause them don't know the capacity what them artists do and them don't know the capacity what ALKALINE do. Cause you go say a man do a show where double, triple time Alkaline. And you don't know the capacity of Alkaline show. You understand? But you know just prefer to come out and just bring down. But you, from the get-go, say your show go on good. But you go turn around now and at this Alkaline show. It don't make no sense, bro. If the company media give show credit and them something, just give credit, brother. Don't then give credit and then you bring down the show after, bro. That not make no sense, brother. It be better you never forward and say nothing. Better you did just forward. Cause we see what you try do. You try use Alkaline thing for try prep up the show them, bro. You understand? You better you come out and just talk about bounty and cartel. Sure, it don't make no sense, bro. You see what I try to say? So, you say, from the get-go, say, yo, Alkaline show go on good and ready and tay. Now you go say, they may show ya double and triple. Bro, remember say a bounty for show this a US, brother. And how much it all? Maybe like around, maybe 120K. You don't know how much their new rules. With you don't know. So you talk about double and triple. You know, in a sense, brother. When you go research, that with Uno, you know. Uno no love research, you know, brother. Uno don't love research, but you know, prefer come talk and chat crap. You see me? Yeah, man. What people hear what I say.
Yeah. I mean, 2 artists them get more pay than Alkaline.
Brother. Yo, me I tell you, yo, them money are done, you know. So wait there, cause you know when I realize people every time that brother you forward out, you know, him chat some nonsense and him nah no facts. With what him say, him nah no proof, you know. How you know that? Oh, where's the proof, bro? When you just a come out here and just a capping, bro. Brother, if you come out, come reason, but don't come out and make talk and you have the proof for that. You don't know, bro. You understand? You don't know that. Nobody knows the people in business. You see it? Nobody knows that. You see me? If Alkaline keep him show, him own a show. And them a get bookings. Are 2 different things that. You see it? You nah no proof. So you a come out and make them chat, the brother. It don't make no sense.
In a party. You don't want to talk now?
You see, this are the thing, you know, you hear why I'm say that people are at Vendetta fans, they want attention from, you know. But tell you what them money, you know, bro. Yo, them guys are why the man them love Alkaline to, yo, Jaja. Man, a while ago I prep up a show and then the man a come. Yo, brother, I tell you, what a dangerous dog.
Come talk. My 2 are Bounty and Vibes Cartel get more money. Bounty and Vibes Cartel get more crowd. Bounty and Vibes Cartel add more people on the stage as artists.
Bro, you're a madman, brother. So you are going to use, yo, may I tell you, say the money are done, you know. So you move with goalposts. You say cars, you say more people. Zine, you don't really have to prove them. Zine, first of all, you go bring up, but them have more artists on them stage. Brother, remember say Bounty and Cartel boss artists, brother. So them same artists when boss are come give him strength, brother. You understand? You are use that as leverage. Alkaline are doing thing. Alkaline book artists. You see, them artists will come on them on the stage, brother. Him highlight for them thing back in the days when nobody never know them. So them got up on him stage, bro. That now have nothing for what Alkaline do, brother. You see it?
Sharing their stage with more people.
Sharing stage with more people, bro. That an leverage. Yo, Jado. Brother. Bag of artists on stage, that now have nothing to do with show business, bro. Because at the end of the day, majority of them are just a give a little strength. Movado and them man, they just a give a little strength, brother. So we are come with now make no sense. You see it? But we know to stay ready. We just make one bag of talk on certain things. You see it? Cause not because a man show one bag of man means say, yo, I leverage that, you know. Yeah, man, leverage that, yo. Enough man see it, rare. Alkaline a book artist, and I see him artist, them a go up on him stage. Me not understand. When since sharing stage with artists, a leverage. Me not understand that.
Alkaline need to try that. Yes.
Bro, Alkaline no need to try that, brother. Yo, you know, me realize that, brother, yeah. Me realize say, yo, the man, me I tell you. Him dunce. Me I tell you, dunce. You hear him talk, Jaja. Man say Alkaline need to start share artists, share stage with artists. Him for try that now. Brother, what is that? We're sharing artists with stage have to do with shows, bro. You know, in a sense.
See, Masicka, Alkaline. Anytime Masicka bust up and shoot off for you, and sign.
Boy. Brother. You know, say, una prep up Massacre and una realize, say, bro, all the things we are talking right now, Massacre, name now get called up in it. Me realize I'm where you not show about Massacre, you know, bro. It's like, we don't care about Massacre career. Eh? We don't care about Massacre career. You know, remember when Massacre I do the interview online and the brother asked him, say, yo, what you think about the clash with you and Alkaline? Massacre sit down there for about 10 to 15 minutes, people. And then Bama Beanie Man if say that pass. And here Massacre him get up like a little girl. Yeah man, here King talk, Bro.
Yeah, from username 26 to Massacre to you, it's like, I'm not even going to try to speak patois, but Massacre, we wait upon the clash with you and Alka. So, you know, to that point of like no one man could ever run dancehall, you know, when is the clash going to happen?
Answer that pass.
All right, see the king just tell you what.
The answer the correct.
King just answer the question. And sometimes you have to make the king talk, you know.
Let me tell you this right now. Massacre, better just go and focus on him thing, bro. Wanna stop try to set up Massacre career with Alkaline, bro. You understand? Wanna don't even know what I do, brother. You see it? Cause I realize I say Cartel a push him, I say Bounty a push him, bro. And I realize when I try size him up about clash now, because when I realize yo, Massacre not really have the leverage there. So no one the clash thing with him and Alkaline, bro. As Beanie Man say, that pass, brother. You see it? As Beanie Man say that pass. Nah make no sense, bro. Just low that, brother. The time when Massacre for run out, him never run out, bro. You see it? Yeah, man. Cause, bro, Massacre not ready yet, brother. Cause Massacre don't even that lyrical yet. If he even go against Alkaline, brother. Me tell you not ready, you know, bro. Una use this bag of hype and una push him in and feel like, say, yo, man signed to Def Jam and only a market in a Jamaica, brother. That not make no sense. You see, that not make no sense, bro. We don't know if no war where Massacre even do where we could have say, yo, Ray, bro. Them they look at something that, them they are chicks war back then, brother. We see what Alkaline do with the six them and with Popcorn thing, brother. And him go back and forth with Cartel, bro. You understand? When enough of them afraid for do. You see, some don't know where you try to size up Massacre, brother.
A Massacre we want to go for you.
Brother, me see when I try, you know, when I try to save Cartel thing, you know, brother. You go Massacre. Yo, brother. Then if Massacre asks for an interview about the clash and him can't answer, it shows him a coward. Just a little simple question the brother asks Massacre. Say, yo, when you go line up the clash with you and Alkaline, him don't answer. Him sit down all along a Beanie Man if he say that pass. You understand? So Massacre go for Alkaline. Massacre no want no war, brother. You understand? I be a gig and laugh. All him do is just drop be a song, bro. One bag of trash, bro. You understand? Him not ready yet, brother. Yeah, man, him not ready yet. Massacre not ready for them levels, bro. You see it? You not try to set up a man career.
You're not bigger than a Massacre.
You see, this is the problem now. Everybody when I comment, Zane, everybody when I comment, Uno can't tell me if Alkaline are bigger than Massacre. Yo, only even compare Alkaline with Massacre, bro. Like, tell me what the leverage. Because, bro, when I use some little hot song with my job, bro, I try to put leverage, bro. I don't realize, bro, arena go on and shows are going, bro. Massacre not in at the top, bro. We don't know if Massacre have no crowd puller, brother. If Cartel or Bounty Killer never call him pan them show ya, we keep him at the arena them. Him not have nothing for himself, bro. You understand? See what Alkaline do at Jamaica, the Chilani, and see what the youth do in a UK. 12,000 ad. Massacre not reach them level there yet, brother. Me tell you already, you know, Massacre come like one old bus with one Ferrari engine, you know. You see me, we not try shove up a man, an old bus. Not try shove up heel, but you just not reach, bro. The man signed to a label and I'll know. The man biggest song in him career with him and Shenseea, bro. And a not even theme song. You see it? So some of the time when I talk, nah make no sense, brother. No sense in the make, dog. You see it? Massacre need more improvement. Yeah, man, him need more improvement, man. You see it? More improvement him need. Him not ready yet. Make him go and build him career little. and everything good. You see, make him go and build him career. Him not ready yet. Nobody try to cut the man career short, bro. You understand? Don't. It's like you know what? I don't know. Alkaline dopey something again. Make the man focus on him work, bro. You see it? And stop rush the war thing, brother. You understand? Not ready yet, bro. You see it? And Masicka can't be on Alkaline, bro. Or no leverage, brother. We see that already. What Masicka do? What am I do in an industry where we can say, yo, Ray? I just one bag of hot song. That's it. And by the song drop this month, by next 2 months, them forgot about it. Nothing not there, brother. I just because the Gaza thing I push him thing, bro. That's why I try to size him up. You see it? Not ready yet. You see it?
No, you're not bigger than Masicka. You're Masicka dep on the same ground.
Brother, let me tell you this. The reason why you thought that I threw Masicka dep on the Gaza side, bro. I'm not try to push up Masicka thing. You see it? Masicka can't compare with Alkaline thing, brother. You see it? Can't compare. You're sick in your head, brother. You see me? Brother. You know what you thought, bro. I'm telling you already, you know. I'm not try to size up Masicka career with Alkaline, bro. You know, stop it. Stop it, dog. If you don't want to see Masicka reach more further in her career, don't push the war. You understand? Don't push the war, brother. You see it? Don't push the war. Not because you know see Masicka drop him little gunman song them and all of them little something there. You don't feel like say, yo, Masicka run up on Alkaline. Don't do that, bro. Remember back in the days, them things say Alkaline was a soft soap. You don't see what them do. You understand? You don't see, remember you know, Silent River run deep. You understand? So, if I time on not talk, bro, nah, make no sense.
Bro. Someone want to see your answer.
That's the thing, brother. I don't know where you want Alkaline for answer Masicka. Bro, no. Yo, bro, better than just make Masicka focus on his career, bro. Make him man focus on the international market. Where him not there. Def Jam, I need them album right now. Make the man focus on him album when you draft with Def Jam, bro. You see it? You don't want to kill the man career too. You see, you don't really care about Masicka career in a dog. You don't really not care about Masicka career, brother. You see it? At this time, when the man final drop the album, you don't want man clash with Alkaline, bro. Just with what? Give him leverage? Why him need to clash with Alkaline now? Bro, you don't care about a man career. You come like you don't want to write off a man career, dog. As someone knows, you know, Gaza man, anybody with their own, you know, you don't really care about them, you know. Yeah, man, you don't only care about them when they might go no strength and I care on the phone thing. You see it? Brother, you never stop it, dog. Masicka not ready yet. You see it? Yeah, man, him not ready yet, brother. Joke thing that. Yeah, man. Joke thing that. But people, for me them go and talk, you know, you see me? But people in a comment, tell me what you think about what I say. You see it? But you don't know, you know, one media facts, man. Yeah, man. That is it.